Good day, everyone. I'm glad coming your way again. I have another information for you. Yes, this time around we're going to talk about corporate affairs commission. That there's something you don't know. 70% of companies in Nigeria today are actually inactive. They are inactive because they didn't pay their filing probably for the past 3 years or thereabout. So it means that if you register a company before 2019 or 2019 and you have not done filing till now, you are probably inactive. Now, let me tell you something, a secret that we don't know about this. If you are looking for loan or partnership, companies that you write for loan or banks, they do the background check on your company and they try to verify. And when they want to verify, when they find your company inactive, they're not going to tell you, but that automatically stops the opportunity and that stops you accessing loan or having that partnership. And so many people don't know. Now, we know that before COVID-19, you can always enter corporate affairs commission office and do whatever you want to do. But from COVID-19, it became 50-50 plan that you go online, do the processes of registration or whatever, and then you can do the other in the office. But now it's now complete 100% processes that you don't need to go to CAC office and then they bring in, then the certificate becomes e-certificate. Now, and then during this time, we know so many things happen, like the CAMA 2020, the new 2020 CAMA law, and then other things, the rearrangement, the changing of system and what have you, the policy. So many things are happening that you don't know. Now, Corporate Affairs Commission have deactivated, make inactive many accounts, and so all the owners of these accounts are not aware because there was no information sent across to them. Of course, we know this is still Nigeria. Actually, I think we have to, the government agencies, we have to understand this. We need to consider people when we are doing something that involves companies. It's good to carry them along. Many companies are not aware, but I'm going to show you how to know. If you have not done filing for the past from 2019, just know that your company is probably inactive. So the first step, I'm going to show us how to search to know if your company is active or inactive. And then I'll now show us what to do next. So the first step is you go to search. That's where I am. Go to search.cac.gov.ng. You go to search.cac.gov.ng, search.cac.gov.ng. So when you get to search.cac.gov.ng, you will type your company name. Let's say your company name, let me just think of a name that tag is a company name. Then you click search. When you type the company name, you click search. So the process will now bring you to another template. So when it brings to this template, when you type your company name, sometimes you may not go to that company direct. So you see up here where it says search here, you can always search for a company name. So when you type the name tag, as an example, you will choose the type, either is a business name or company name, incorporate, trustee, or whatever you, so you choose whatever you register here. And now look at it now, you can see inactive. Now, like Adetola tag is inactive. I'm sorry about that. That may be an help for that person. Now, he may not know that his company is inactive. Now, if your company apply for loan or your company has a partnership to do with the company, the other bigger companies do the search. And when they search and they discover that your company is inactive, meanwhile, you will need to pay 1,000 naira in order to fill. That's where you see fill paid service. If you want to see this company details, you pay 1,000 naira. So other companies that you want, banks will not be ready, will not want to pay 1,000 naira because they want to take loan. They just stop there. So they will not inform you, and they will be posting you. And this is what so many people don't know. And I just said that it's good for small businesses. We are helping in a Empower Africa project to see how we can build, how we can support, how we can help. And that's why I'm bringing this your way. Now, you will do something for me. I will need us to share this video to so many organizations, companies, small business associations, to understand this, to know that probably there are companies. Share with your friends this video, let them understand it. There are companies may be inactive. Like all these people, we can see red, that there are so many companies that are inactive and they are not aware. I bet it with you, you can, it's red. Let me type bet. You can understand that so many companies are inactive and they are not aware. You can see. So that's why I say 70-80% of the companies today are inactive. And I believe that government supposed to, the corporate development commission supposed to inform them of this, but then it's not happening. So you need to help yourself. So the first thing, you search and know if you are active or not. You don't need to pay 1,000 to go and know details. You know the details of your company. So the next thing you do, once you know that you are inactive, you don't go to CAC office. The next thing you do is you type cac.gov.ng, cac.gov.ng/resources. So it's from this place that you will get, sorry, cac.gov.ng, .gov.ng. It's from this place that you get the form that you will use. There's form CAC form 03. So we look for the form here. When you come to cac.gov.ng/resources, you will look for the form that has 03. Let's look. So it's that form that you will download. Is that form that you will download, and then you can see application for creation of entity electronic account CAC/Everest. So you will download the form. You will fill the form, you will take to the CAC office that handles, or maybe probably your lawyer or someone, the CAC agent that handle it for you. But the first thing is do the search and know if your company is active or inactive. Then you come to cac.gov.ng/resources to get this detail, and then download the form, fill it, make your payment, the filing, do all the filing. Of course, now you need to know that when a company is being registered, a business name has 6 months. You have 6 months to at least free. You have 6 months first before you start filing. So, and then once you miss the filing, of course, there's I think it is 3,000 there, but when you get there, you know the filing, find out. But my basic thing, I want to know that your company, your own company, may be inactive. So let's do the right thing. Let's take the next step. So meanwhile, I need you to do something for me. If you subscribe to eaproject.africa TV, it helps so that you're able to see more of the videos that are coming. There's so many information we have to pass across, so many trainings are coming, so many ways, that so many opportunities we're pushing out there for our people, for small business, for MSMEs in Nigeria. So subscribe now and enjoy other videos, other trainings, and for other information that's to come. So I think it's good you share this. So please share with your brothers and sisters, share with small business owners around you, share among your association. Let people go and search. Be sure that your company is active. Be sure that they have not removed your company, or that your company, anybody can go there, any company you want to partner with can go there and they're able to do business with you. Thank you.